Hello friends, welcome to my channel Spices and More. First and foremost, I would like to wish all my friends a very happy Valentine's Day. In today's video, I have shared with you this beautiful, soft and spongy, rose flavored tres leches eggless cake. Make this Valentine special by enjoying this dessert and spending time with your loved ones. So let's quickly see the ingredients. Here I have taken half cup of sugar, half cup of yogurt. Meanwhile, I preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. 1/4 cup of oil, and about 2 tablespoons of rose syrup. This is from the Dabur company. Whisk it thoroughly and combine all the ingredients very well. Now let's sieve in some dry ingredients. First I'll take all-purpose flour or the maida, that is 1 cup. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Half teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt to balance the flavors. We are sieving in the ingredients so as to do away with all the impurities and the lumps. So sieve it thoroughly. Now we will combine all these ingredients, that is wet and dry, with cut and fold method. Now you can see all the ingredients are combined very well. At this point I will be adding in milk as required. There is no exact quantity of milk in this cake. You have to reach to the consistency which I will show you in this video. Mix it through the cut and fold method. I'll be adding in little more milk to reach to the desired consistency. Mix it thoroughly. And we need this consistency which you can see on the screen. I have lined the parchment paper on the baking pan and I'll be pouring in the cake batter and then bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. Tap it thoroughly. Now let's prepare tres leches. For this I have taken half cup of milk. In original recipe, evaporated milk is used. Since everywhere you don't get that milk, I use the normal milk. Half cup of heavy whipping cream. Then I added 1/4 cup of condensed milk. You can go up to half cup of condensed milk. Then 1 tablespoon of rose syrup to give that baby pink color and the flavor. In goes 1 teaspoon of rose water. And mix it thoroughly and refrigerate it for about 15 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, you can see our cake is baked properly. As you can see on the toothpick is coming out very clean. Once the cake is cooled down completely, pierce in the cake with the fork so that when we pour in the tres leches, it will be absorbed by the cake thoroughly and the cake will become very soft and spongy. Now pour in the chilled tres leches over the cake, cover each and every part of the cake and then refrigerate this cake for about 15 minutes so that the liquid will be absorbed by the cake thoroughly. Now let's prepare the frosting for this. Here I have taken a bowl and I'll be adding in 1 cup of chilled whipping cream. This is the heavy whipping cream. And with the help of a hand beater, let's start whipping the cream till we reach the stiff peak. So before that, first whip it for about 2 minutes. And here I would like to give you one tip to get that perfect stiff peak. For this you need to keep the whipping cream into refrigerator for about 24 to 48 hours, and just before making the frosting, take out from the refrigerator the whipping cream and keep it into deep freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And after that you will get that perfect stiff peak without fail. So try this trick and let me know how it turned out to you. Now the cream is becoming frothy. This is after 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. To make powdered sugar, I've used the granulated sugar and added 1 pod of cardamom into it and made it a fine powder. Using of cardamom into this gives the cake another level of flavor and taste, so please don't skip this step. Beat it thoroughly for 1 more minute, and after whipping it for 1 minute, add in 2 more tablespoons of powdered sugar. So total I have used about 4 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Now you can see the cream has already become very thick and soon we will be reaching the stiff peak consistency. Every whipping cream differs, so adjust it accordingly. So once you reach the stiff peak consistency, stop beating it further or whipping it further. Now let's spread the frosting over the cake evenly, covering each and every corner of the cake. Rose flavor and cardamom is an ultimate combination. So please don't skip the cardamom flavor into the cake. You will definitely love it. Now garnish it with the nuts of your choice, and I had some dried rose petals. I used that. If you don't have, you can skip it completely. And our beautiful rose flavored tres leches cake is ready to be served. Enjoy this Valentine with this lovely dessert, and I'm sure everyone will definitely relish this flavor. If you like today's recipe, then hit that like button, share this dessert with your loved ones, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I will see you in my next videos, and thanks for watching.